Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate progress unit chart in Tableau. First of all, let me show you the data for which we want to generate the progress unit chart. Five students are there: Pratham, Pahal, Aryas, Soham, and Richa, and their percentages are given. We want to generate the progress unit chart from this data. First of all, close this. Now you go in Tableau, connect this file from Microsoft Excel. So, progress unit chart, open. So you can see this file is connected. Click on sheet 1. Now pick up the name from here and drop it into the columns. Then pick up the percentage from here and drop it into the rows. Make this as entire view. Now here click and show the mark label. So the percentages will be represented. The next thing which you have to do is you have to click on percentage. In percentage, I'll activate the default properties, and that is the number format. Now in this, make this as percentage and you can make it 0. Click OK. So now everything is represented in the format of percentages. Let us arrange it in ascending or descending way from here. So according to the percentage of the students, the bar charts have been organized. Now click here in this field and write down average 1, and enter. So two graphs, two charts will appear, one with the percentage and another with 1, 1, 1, 1. Now pick up this average from here, and when these two vertical lines appear on the y-axis, drop them. Now this measure name which is in column, you pick it up from here and drop it into the color. So now your bar chart will be splitted into two colors, blue and orange. Now go in analysis and activate stack marks. In that, the on will be active by default, make it off. So the positions of the color will flip immediately. The next thing which you have to do is you have to click in the average, double click it, double click on average also, and in this select the white color, click OK, click apply, click OK. So you can see when you click on percentage, now the white color is not appear. So when I click on percentage, it will give me it will show me the dark blue color bars and the hidden portion. The next thing which you have to do is we want to generate the borders to this. So in marks, in automatic, click on colors, click on border, and I'll select the blue color only. So you can see the blue color borders have appeared. Pick up the percentage and drop it into the rows. So again, two chart will appear. Click here and make this dual axis. Now your entire chart will get converted into circles. No need to worry. In measure value, make sure that in some percentage the circle is on, and in measure value, convert this thing into the bar. And you can see again the chart has changed. Now click on this axis, right click and activate the synchronize axis. Again, click on measure value and decrease the size of the bar. Decrease it. Let us be a little bit bigger and activate the sum percentage from here and increase the size of the semicircle in such a way that it exactly matches with the dimensions of bar. Right. think it has matched. Yeah, it's perfect. Let me increase little bit more, then it will be, yeah. So let us keep this size, it will be much better. So in marks, we are having all, measure value and some percentage. From measure value, remove the measure names. Just a minute. From, yeah, from some percentage, not from measure value, from some percentage, remove the measure value, and your circles will now turn green. Now activate from color. Make these circles white. So white color will appear. Activate the white color from here. So here it's showing the percentage, 80%, 70%. I want this percentage to be inside the circle. Click on label. Uh, Click on, yeah, this one, center, and bring it into the center by clicking on this. So now your percentages will be in the center. Let me increase the font size a little bit, that will be much better. So from here, let us increase the font size and make it 14, and let's change the color. Make it italic, bold. Okay. Now I don't want this axis, so I will remove the tick from show header. I don't want this axis also, and I'll remove the tick from show header. Now here this one is appearing. I want to remove this one also. I'll click on label and I'll remove this tick from show mark labels, and the tick has gone. I also want to remove this one, right click, hide the title. Now I'll go in analysis, and in this, the table layout, and in the table layout, click on advanced. Basically, these numbers which are at the bottom of the axis, I want it on the top. So how can I do it? Let me remove this, apply. So when I remove the stick from here, now the labels will appear on the top instead of the bottom. Click OK. So you can see that the progress unit bar chart is ready. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.